Hey everyone, just sort of chilling here while I'm trying to code something together. It's driving me nuts because I have to always fucking grab the URL for the chat, put it in manually. It drives me insane. So I'm just trying to get that figured out and working. Meanwhile, I figured I'd turn this on because um, I need live stream information while I'm coding to get the proper shit I need. So I figured why not? I could throw on some tunes or something. Just close that right now. Feel free to chat if you want to say some stuff. I don't care. I'll be watching the chat anyway. Sort of, kind of. All right. Now I got to turn on the grabber. Enter the code. Unfortunately, this shows a lot of information from my Google account, so I can't share it with you, which kind of sucks. What? Oh, I forgot to save. That's why. Oh, whatever. Oh, fuck off. Jeez. Fucking phones, man. I miss my Sony. It was so easy to navigate. Where is that? There it is. Alright. Let's go save what I was doing. And then I'll run it again. I mean, they're probably pissed at me by now. The amount of times I've queried this fucking API. I queried it so much that they actually slowed it down on me, so I wasn't allowed to query it as fast. It's fucking hilarious. They must have thought it was a bot. Oh, you fucking suck. I have to take a look at that fucking thing again. Because it says that the key is wrong, and I know it's not. Fuck. Is it under items? Oh, it might be items with an S instead of just item. That might be that might be useful. Jeez. Okay, let's try this again. Alright, authorization code for reasons. Copy pasta. List indices must be integers or slices, not string. Really? Wow. hate JSON. With XML, it was so easy. Oh, so I have to put an integer in there. Let's go take a look at the fucking... Let's go take a look at the actual string. So it'll be 0. Unless that's changed by YouTube. YouTube API is a fucking pain in the arse. Serious pain in the arse. Literally only need one thing from this. Oh, fuck. I forgot the E. Paste. E. Fucking thing. I wish you could automate this shit instead of having to go to the fucking browser every 5 minutes. That'd be fucking nice. Are you fucking kidding? Well, showing nothing is better than... For fuck's sakes. I hate this. Alright. Let's try 1. Index out of range. Wow. Alright, so let's go back and let's troubleshoot this shit. We're going to print... Don't know if I can do this in Python, but we'll give it a shot. Probably bitch. Oh, no, it didn't bitch. Well, fuck me. Wonderful thing about learning a new language, you gotta have like 18 million tabs open in order to read all the docs and examples. Unsupported operand. Okay, so I'll have to print and then print. Oh, shit. There we go. What the fuck? Oh, duh. Close the fucking... Make sure I'm actually getting data. Well, yeah, it works. So it's got kind, e tag, ID, which is what I'm after, status, privacy status, recording status, made for kids status, which is false, self-declared made for kids status equals false. And then it spits out, oh my god, it spit out the ID. What the shit? Fuck. Nice. Now let me see if this matches the URL, and then I can get the chat ID, which is exactly what I need. I don't know why this works, but it works. So let's go to properties. Yep, perfect. Now I can build a URL. That's good news. So I need to create the chat URL. I need to copy this. And I wonder if I can I open a browser from Python? Let's go look that up. Fuck off. Yeah, you can. So I got to import web browser, and then I can open it. So, oh shit. I hope I don't have to. Really? Eat shit. Control C. Go back to my code. Paste. Paste. Now, I need to do this and copy this. See if this loads. If this loads, I'm gonna be so fucking happy. Ah, eat shit. There we are. Oh, beautiful. Well, holy shit. Now, see if there's anything in there that you guys can't. Do I have an API code in here? No, I don't. You guys could have actually been watching me do this the entire time. So what I'll do is I will close this, 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 and I will actually share it. Do I want to save? Why not? Will it show up? I guess not. That's fucking weird. That's weird. Okay. That's fucking weird. It's not showing up. I can't capture my window. Fucking weird. Oh well, doesn't matter. I guess I could capture. I'd rather not. So that works. Perfect. Now I just gotta figure out how to make it automatically grab the thing. And I gotta gotta grab the browser in OBS, and I've gotta set the thing, and it should work. Alright, I will be right back. Alright, I'm back. I do need coffee though. I'm gonna have to get myself a coffee eventually. So now to incorporate this shit into to automatically get that fucking URL. That's gonna be a pain in the arse. What I want to know is why, why is this a thing? I can grab Sid, but I can't grab no Notepad. What the fuck? Oh, because I'm not using a window capture. Duh. There we are. That's a bit better. Bring this in a bit. See what I'm coding. This is all default Google shit. This is what I was working on right here. So you can log in, get the live chat from YouTube Studio, provided you're logged in. At least it should work. I don't know how it'll work. So what it does is it gets the data from a console script, which you guys can't see because it's got a bunch of friggin' auth codes and a bunch of other shit. But yeah, this is all default Google code. I added these three imports here in order to get this. This is a little convoluted. There's probably a better way to do it, but I've been pissing around with just this section forever because I don't know Python at all. So I've been teaching myself Python. I wrote some other stuff for Raspberry Pi and stuff a while back, but this is what I need to use to switch the OBS stuff. So let's go look at OBS scripting. Now there was a script that I downloaded that uses that swaps random URLs out. Oh, hey TG. Just saw the chat now, dude. It is definitely poop. Definitely poop. But yeah, so I'm not playing No Man's Sky just yet. I will be once I get this working. I'm building a plugin for OBS, which will load the chat automatically. So it'll pull it in. Because right now, when you go to use YouTube chat, it's kind of stupid, right? You have to create a browser window. You have to, every single time you do a stream, you got to go to your um, studio console thing, go to the live tab, do all the live tab shit, and you have to pop out the chat, grab the URL, copy and paste it into OBS, and then start. And when you're playing No Man's Sky on PC, when you push the Windows key and you lower the game, it tends to crash. Oh, right on. What are you working late tonight? I was just in work for a couple of hours and came home and just continued writing. I've been working on this for fuck half the day. I had to read all the API information for Python, um, learn how to use Python, and then write this. You're always on night shift, bro. You are the night shift king. Can you see the code window already? Does it look like shit? Um, you are a vampire, bro. Okay, good. So now I gotta figure out a way to incorporate this into OBS. So I gotta go read the documentation for OBS. So there is, like I said, I did download. So I gotta import. I think I gotta install it first. So pip. Alright, so I gotta load this up. Thanks, bro. Yeah, I drew that ages ago. I still have the originals somewhere. Like I drew those with pen and like they're drawn after a 1980s Saturday morning cartoon, right? Like He-Man. They're not meant to be like super detailed. Um, they're supposed to look like that on purpose. So I drew them. I drew them like that in order to, because everyone uses anime, right? And I'm like, well, what about North American cartoons? You know, like the Hanna-Barbera and shit. Oh, the one that's on screen, the one that's moving. That's a 3D avatar, dude. But I appreciate it. I made this too. Actually, everything you're staring at right now, I made. It's been programmed by me. Um, everything. I wrote the software. It's actually some of the. It's not the most complicated thing I've written using Unity, but it's definitely one of the most enjoyable things that I've done. It's funny because you're watching software that I coded while watching me code. Ugh, that makes me slightly sad. OBS Python, that's right. 'Cause I'm stupid. Pip install OBS Python. Ugh. Okay. Fuck. I should ping Lily. Maybe she can come talk to me while I'm coding. All right. How the fuck do I do this? OBS scripting for beginners. Let's have a look. Python. Okay, Python 3.6. Scripting functions. Python settings tab. So where do I get this OBS Python module? I guess I have to install it. Paste. Apparently it's already included. So how the fuck do I use it? This is terrible. Okay. I guess I forgot to fucking give out my... Alright. Okay. So I gotta get this browser name. Hey Jacob, what's shaking, dude? Literally coding some kludge code. First time using Python with OBS. So I'm trying to figure out how to swap the oh, nice. I wish I was a little drunk. Wait a minute, drunk on a weekday? What the fuck, bro? Uh, Terrible code. It's a kludge. So, um, it's a stopgap. It's a not optimized. Basically garbage. See, like this section here is basically a kludge. Um, Everything from here up is from Google, right? So this is their demo on how to use the YouTube API to do shit. And I need to get the live broadcast, right? And I got to put it into a JSON array. Sorry, it returns a dictionary. So I'm dumping the dictionary into a JSON string, then loading that or into a string, sorry, and then turning the string back into a JSON array, printing the response so I can see it, and this is all debug code. Printing out the data so I can see it, and then I'm opening a web browser with the chat in it. So it, it's a kludge code. It's garbage. And then I'm gonna open it in OBS. So I gotta import OBS Python as OBS. Then I gotta go to that other code I downloaded from some other dude, copy some constants, browser name, and browser source. So I'm gonna need those two things, I'm assuming. Now where did you do that? Okay, they're constants, so they're above scopes. And we'll paste that there. This is debug. Shit. Before I do any of this, I gotta figure out how to make it automatically auth itself. Shit. Let me see here. Let's go and view page source. I might be able to get... I might be able to scrape the page and get the thing I need. Oh, nice. Ugh. Oh, uh, this is Python code, not kludge code. This is kludgy code. Um, but the purpose of this is to, like, you're staring at OBS right now, like you're staring at the output of open broadcast software. And every single time I start up a stream when I'm playing on PC, I have to go to my dashboard. I gotta open up my live streaming tab. I gotta go and pop out the chat URL, and I gotta paste it into two different windows. What I'm trying to do is make it do all that shit automatically. As soon as I push start streaming, it waits a few seconds and then it pulls all that data and just swaps everything without me having to touch shit. So that's the whole point of this. And then once it's done, I can put it up somewhere and people can use it. I'll probably put it on like GitHub or some shit. Just like kludge code for fucking OBS. Sorry, I'm itchy. I'm scratching here. But this is programming in a nutshell. Oh fuck yeah. I could do all sorts of shit. Like the thing you're staring at I wrote, like this 3D avatar that's talking. Yeah, this is my code. I can do whatever the hell I want. Just takes time and effort. I could procedurally generate this background if I wanted. Make it do all sorts of really cool shit. It can. Real quick. And yeah, I think there's some somewhere. Because normally in my code you'll find something like a comment that says 8008135. I think I'll just actually we'll put that up here. There we go. Lol. Uh, hold on. I don't know if I can. I don't think I have that program anymore. I had a program for Twitch called Brick with Boobs. Well, yeah, sorta. Um, if you're doing pen testing, you can do all sorts of stuff you're not supposed to do. I should, I should put Sid in one of those pool streams. You sit in a hot tub with some half-naked chicks. Oh, that'd be funny. Oh, if you want to learn, I can teach you stuff. This won't really teach you much. This is just kludge. Um, I gotta automate the login though. I know that much. Wonder if I can use curl, pull down the fucking data I need. Because you gotta log in, right? You gotta give it permissions. And then can you store those permissions? Because I know that it doesn't persist, right? So every fucking time I load the program, I gotta click on a link, copy a thing, and drop it in the thing. Oh yeah, look it up on Google. Yeah, because kludge can be used for lots of things. this doesn't really teach you computers. Like, you can be a fantastic programmer and don't know shit about computers. Like, what I mean is, like, if somebody throws some weird ass software at me, they automatically expect me to know it. And I'm like, are you on glue? I've never touched this shit before. Like, what the fuck? That's another thing. People expect me to be able to fix their computers because I know how to code. It's like, you know how to code, you're a programmer, program my computer. I'm like, yeah, well, what do you want? An operating system? It'll take me a while. Like, fuck. Like, I can fix a computer. I fix my own shit. I can build a computer. I can make my own servers. I can do all sorts of really cool shit. But you know what, dude? I get that more often than you'd imagine. It's like, yeah, my computer's broken. Can I come over and have you fix it? I'm like, no. No, you can't. It's like, fuck off. Some people will help out, like my mom or my uncle or my aunts and shit, but some dude off the street I don't know who heard from someone that I'm good at doing things, I'm like, nah, fuck off, dude. Take it to this guy or this guy. I don't do that shit. I can break computers. Jeez. Okay, I was doing something. What was I doing? Oh, yes. I gotta figure out how to automate that shit. So it doesn't always have to ask. I know watching me code is kind of boring. You want me to break your computer? No, you don't want that. Channel response, YouTube channel, channel response items, return none, uploaded videos, blah 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 blah. This is bullshit. Holy shit, dude. Oh, fuck. If I was to break your computer, it would take one more. It'd take a lot more than one stream. Yeah, that'll do it. There's no recovering from that shit. Time is it 11? I gotta go into work for 9. Fuck. Should I head to bed? Nah, I got time. Okay, authorize the request and store authorization credentials. Oh, holy shit. Flow run, console, return build, app service, API. Okay, so that might actually fucking work. Discovery build, API version credentials equals credentials. So maybe I only have to put my username and password on the console while I'm running it. So Python, shit. Let's go back to that fucking tutorial. I wonder if I can use arguments. If I can use arguments? Oh yeah, dude, I work at 9. But I think I got Friday, Saturday, and Sunday off. I think. But I've been off quite a bit. Well, I wouldn't say off. I was off during the day and had to go in at night. So it was like essentially night shift, but not really. It's, it's like called in last minute shit. Yeah, I know. Which means money. Are you taking off, dude? Uh, yeah, fucking feel free to subscribe, dude, because I usually play No Man's Sky on here if I've got time. I play No Man's Sky and chill. Right now I'm just sort of just testing some shit, so I had to have the stream running in order to get the data. So anyway, it was nice meeting you. Take care. Don't do anything I wouldn't. There's some talk about canceling Canada Day this year because of all the shit they found in Saskatchewan and shit. I don't want to talk about it just in case I get banned from YouTube because you can't say anything negative. That's just wrong. Yep, take her easy. Don't do anything I wouldn't. Yeah, they found some. They found a bunch of bones, but in Saskatchewan, I think. Let me get the news article. Um, I think it was in Saskatchewan. I might be wrong. Yeah. Um, at least 750 unmarked graves have been found on the grounds of the former Maryville Indian Residential School in Canada. The Cowes French Nation in Saskatchewan says. It was on CNN. Yeah, so yeah, it was in Saskatchewan. It's pretty sad shit. Oh, I don't mind reading the story from CNN. I'm just talking about what CNN said. They want to ban my channel. It's pretty sad anyway. I'm not too happy about it, but there's fuck all I can do about it now. Too little, too late. Bitching and complaining ain't gonna get you nothing. All you need to do is just sit down. That shit needs to be taught in schools, preferably at the high school level. There should be a national day of mourning or whatever. It should be held every year, just like the Holocaust, man. They gotta take care of it the same way. Make sure it never happens again. Yep. Not too impressed, that's for sure. Really? But how do you store that data? Fuck. I hate using APIs. They're such a pain in the arse. Especially YouTube's. I mean, like, what the shit? Like, I gotta open a browser? You can't just fucking send the data? Let's use curl, I guess. Yeah. So what time you gotta go to work, dude? Sorry about that. Program went weird. Every once in a while it does that. I gotta figure out why. Probably a memory leak. Ugh. Oh, this looks neat. So what is this shit? To grant access to receive a temporary code, enter this URL. Client ID and redirect and send a post. OAuth2 token request with the following request body. The response will contain both the access token and the refresh token. Save both, but particularly the refresh token because the access token will expire in 1 hour. Then you can use the access token to send an auth request manually following the options here, essentially. Interesting. That's fucked. That is fucked. Oh well. So at least I know this works. I'll build some extra shit. I got more reading to do. That's the problem with this, right? Credentials. Credential builder. This is in Java. Look at this. I was just staring at the code. I automatically knew it was in Java. Okay. So I got more reading to do, and I'm far too tired to be doing this now. So I'm gonna I'm gonna call it quits for tonight. Thanks for chilling with me, DG. Appreciate it, dude. Have a good night.